All right, SSM Basis Part 2. Just going to do a couple calculations for you for pH and pOH. Very simply, these are the equations you need. pH is equal to negative log of the concentration of H+. pOH is equal to negative log of the concentration of OH-. And lastly, pH and pOH are equal to 14. Basically, these are inverses of one another. If you have, for example, the reason why this works is because if you have something that's very acidic, think about it. If you have something that's very acidic, that means also that it's not basic, right? These are opposites. If something is acidic, it's not basic. If something is basic, it's not acidic, right? And so if something has an acidity of 0, it's going to be very not basic. What is not basic? Well, it has a pOH equal to 14, right? pOH 14 plus pH 0 is equal to 14. Whereas conversely, right, if you think about it this way, if something is not acidic at all, that means that it's very basic, right? And so if it's very basic, that means that it has a pOH of 0, right? If it's very basic, a pOH of 0. And so in this situation, pH equal to 14 plus pOH equal to 0, again, equals 14. We can do the same thing here, right? If it's very basic, that means that it's acidic, or sorry, not acidic. And so pH for not acidic is 14. And so again, 14 plus 0 is equal to 14. Or if it's not basic, then that means that it's very acidic. And so pH is equal to 0, right? And so pH plus pOH, again here, 14 plus 0 is equal to 14. And so that's why this works. Acidity, basicity are opposites of one another. And so we can use that information now to do these practice problems. Simply put, to calculate the pH, all you have to do is do negative log of this. 7.3 times 10 to the negative 3. This is log base 10, by the way, which is just a default in here. And so to do this, you put negative sign. Okay, don't do minus sign. You'll get an error probably, especially if it's an older calculator. So negative log of 7.3 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Close your parentheses, press enter, and you will get the answer, which is 2.14. There you go. All right, so that's how you would calculate pH given the concentration H+. How about pOH? Well, pOH is going to be equal to negative log of the concentration of OH-. Here it's 5.2 times 10 to the negative 4. And so what you will get, if you put that in, negative log of 5.2 times 10 to the negative 4 is equal to 3.3 approximately. So the pOH here is 3.3. Lastly, what is the pH of a solution that has a pOH equal to 5? Well, pH plus pOH are equal to 14. pOH here is equal to 5, so pH plus 5 is equal to 14. To get this, you're going to minus 5 on both sides. So you'll get just pH is equal to 14 minus 5, which is 9. pH is equal to 9. And there you go. That's how you do these problems. Hope that helped. Let me know if you have any questions.